But let me make this clear. This is not martial law. Under the Constitution, martial law is declared when there is invasion, rebellion, or public safety requires it. Alam mo yung itong mga ganito, when you are the freedom of movement is sometimes curtailed. Sabihin ng mga tao, martial law. This is not a martial law. Martial law is yung rebellion, may away, itong public safety requires it. Ngayon, kung may invasion, ganon rin, martial law. But wala dito, walang invasion, walang rebellion, and public safety does not, public safety requires it. Itong but, and kasi, so hindi ito kailangan natin. Hindi ito martial law, huwag kayong matakot, walang magdi-display ng baril dyan, except yung mga member ng armed forces o police. Ang kalaban natin pag martial law ay ang mga tao na sumasalakay at naghihimagsik. Pero sa panahong ito, ang kalaban natin ay tayo at ang sakit na COVID. But let us make no mistake. We are in the fight for the lives. We are at war against a vicious and invisible enemy, one that cannot be seen by the naked eye. In this extraordinary war, we are all soldiers. Lahat po tayo ay sundalo sa digmaan nito. Bata man o matanda, lalaki o babae, bawat Pilipino, anumang estado sa buhay, ay maituturing na sundalo sa digmaan.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.